this way. Get down. Yeah, easy. Okay, cover the edge. Okay. He's behind this bush on the right. He's behind the bush on the right. These bushes here, there's a guy.
Which one?
Just one of them, I can't remember.
Warhog, you know.
Oh no, he's dead. There's no one here that we know of. What a throw! Smoke's out.
Smoke's smoking.
Just wait for it to...
Wait for the smoke to smoke.
Go, go, go! Get positions, hit! Hit! That is it. Get to it left! Kid, sniper's down. He'll be respawning.
Oh, yes, right there. Oh, fucking! Maybe not.
Okay, I'll cover. I'll cover. Go, go.
We can't cover this bullet.
Wait, where is he? Where is he?
Blue pallet.
Blue pallet.
There's like fucking 4 or 5 of them.
I can't see that from here. Smoke. Yeah.
Are you able to see the blue pallet? What? Blue pallet.
Wait. Geffin's on the caravan.
Yeah, he needs to walk around it with the case, doesn't he?
Oh, that's just sad.
Smoke is deploying.
Oh, why would the smoke go that way? You know, all the way it's going that way all day.
Yeah, I got no yeah, smoke's out. I'll cover the bunker place. If you just get round, get the case and walk around the caravan.
Everyone fucking get down there.
Yeah.
You got it. Yeah.
Engineer has the case.
3 minutes.
Geffin, you need to walk around the place.
We should push up.
Oh, cock womble.
I can use your gun, Geffin.
Okay, move forward a bit so we can try and push them back.
Very motivational thing.
Yeah, don't die as well. Get there and don't get shot.
What about if we don't get them?
He's dead. Oh, dramatic. Is Geth down?
Where's Colin?
Oh, I'm here on my own now, aren't I? Wait, Joe, you still alive?
No.
Ah. Stop shooting at us. Ha, I got him. That was really cool. I'm sure the camera can see him. Come on, camera. See him. He's going to see this. something.
You got this, Stefan!
Where is he? Push up, guys! Yeah. We need some people around here too, yeah?
Objective next, objective.
Ah, nice.
Go there, Liam.
On the rock. Hugh is on the rock.
Okay.
Sniping.
Bunker one, is it?
Did Hugh get all of you?
Oh, this side.
You got everyone. Don't you need the case?
No, it's alright. I've had it back now.
Remember Isaac Hut is the next target after the building on your left.
Ah, I like Isaac's hut. I think that Isaac's hut is fun to attack. I see a little head. Exposed skin as well. All red. Just a little lower. Where's he gone now? Okay, there's a few on the rocks. On that rock. I'm gonna go down to the road. Can you guys cover us? Can you cover us? Yeah. Watch the rocks. There's a few guys. The orange ones. Huh? Should be up here, why? Huh? Your gun? Should be in the chimney. People up in the bunker system just left. We have someone down there, yeah? I'll run. I might. Where is he? Oh, nice. Is there anyone in it?
No, no one in there. Okay.
Okay. Box. Got the box.
Oh, nice. So what do we do then?
I don't know.
What do we do with the box?
Box secure!
Back to the chimney then. Back to the chimney.
Okay, can you cover us?
Yep.
This way. Wait, so where's the chimney?
All the way back down the road. We've got guys.